Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be headed out. I don't have a lot of time, but I wanted to show you guys my fit. This is how I styled the cargo pants. I think it's really, really cute, you guys. Again, I got these from Ross. Now listen, I had to go back to Ross on yesterday to exchange the large because, y'all, my waist is shrinking. Yes, for me. We love that for me, y'all. And so I had to get a medium. So they fit really, really good. They're really nice and comfortable. And I have plenty of room. And then I paired it with this bodysuit that also came from Ross. So yeah, y'all, I think the outfit turned out really good. The shoes that I have on, as you guys can see, they came from Ross too. So did my watch, my Juicy Couture watch. This necklace came from Ross. This one came from Walmart. So y'all, I'll show y'all more of my outfit like once we get to the restaurant. We're going to the same restaurant we went to for my other sister. It's called Expectation and it's so good. So we're actually going to brunch. So I can't wait, y'all, because I'm hungry. I've been waiting all morning to eat. And I know the lighting isn't that great, but listen, I just want y'all to see these pants because they are bussin', okay? And they also, when I went in there yesterday, it was probably about 9:30, so they was getting ready to close, but they had a blue pair, a green pair, I saw black. Y'all, I have to go back for the others. It's a must. But I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Gotta get out of here. Goddamn. So can I talk to you? Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on really quickly to say thank you all so much for your continued support. You guys are so awesome. Thank you for commenting on my videos. Thank you for showing me love on TikTok and Instagram for those who follow me there. I just appreciate you guys so much, and I wanted to come on and say that. And do y'all see me? Like, who do I think I am? Okay, the arms are on me today, y'all. I never wear my arms out like this. I always do like a boutique with a blazer or a cardigan, but girl, honey, she's letting the arms all out today. And I love this outfit, y'all. This outfit is so cute. I didn't get like many pictures in this outfit. I wish I would have, but trust me, your girl is going to wear it again. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to take the time out to come say that since I'm chit-chatting with my sister and I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys in this clip. Okay, because we were running our mouth, girl. And we were also trying to see who was going to get to the restaurant first. Because y'all, we can't be nowhere on time. And my sister cousin, T, hey T, if you're watching this vlog, she actually made it there first, y'all. But we had a ball. We had a good time. If y'all have Expectation in your area, check it out because y'all, that one was lit.
Outfit. I had jeans and a black shirt. And then I'm looking at her by the camera. I really got one a fucking girl. Why am I snatched? You look good, girl.
Yeah. I'm snatched too.
That's right, we snatching, girl.
I'm snatched.
You know y'all don't need that thing.
We're gonna eat that
All the American food with scrambled eggs and cheese.
Damn, I thought you was gonna get a chicken in a while. So I can have a chicken.
So you too.
Easy. Expect this to be so easy.
And I want cheesy bread. And I want it on inside 5 bread.
Oh, he want shrimp. He want me to order him shrimp today.
You want to get, why don't you wait? You want to get it right now?
No, I was gonna tell him so when I go.
Yeah.
Grits and no order shrimp.
Yes.
Gotcha. Is it well with you?
don't know your hands.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Hey y'all, so we're currently in TJ Maxx. We went to brunch. Brunch was so good, y'all. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all saw all the things. I will put like some video up in here. But we are in TJ Maxx, just looking at shoes. There goes the birthday girl right there, and my cousin, my sister cousin. What brunch good, y'all?
Yeah,
it was really nice.
Lovely.
It was really, really nice. So y'all, we're gonna walk around TJ Maxx and just look around, and I'll holler at you guys later. It's on the top.
See, I ain't with that.
It's good. I wasn't either, but I was like, that's good. It was so good, y'all.
So what y'all want to egg?
Egg expectation.
Yeah, out in Innsbruck.
You heard of it before?
Yeah.
We need to go over there one day.
Cause the pizza shop I hit up is like right by it.
Oh yeah, and it's right beside Latitude.
Yeah, and it's a seafood spot like directly across from it.
I think that's Latitude.
Okay, yeah.
It was really good. Y'all, I'm so tired though. I gotta do some stuff for work real quick. I gotta do, because I mean I could do it tomorrow, but I don't want to be so overwhelmed tomorrow. In the office, I'm gonna do it today. It's still early. It's 3:25, so I'm glad we went super early. So I'm gonna go upstairs and get that done, y'all. In the last vlog that I just put up today, I forgot to show y'all the beach totes, and they look like this. It is so cute. Even if you're going grocery shopping, if you're traveling to someone's house, I love to have like bins like this in my car. Like if I'm traveling, I need to put my camera in here, my bag, makeup, so forth and so on. I love this tote, y'all. It is plastic, very durable, and I have it obviously in pink because I love pink, y'all. And it was only $7.99, if you guys can see that. So y'all, I love it. I love it. I got hubby one too. I got him one in black.
Yeah, you got me a black one.
His is just like this, but it's black. And y'all, I love it. So it's a really cute beach bag. It's really nice and light. It has some long straps. Okay. Really, honestly, too, you can use this for work. Like if you bring home your computer and some other things, you can actually use this for work because it's really sturdy. And it's so comfortable. You can just put it on just like this. You can cross-body it like this. Alright, it's just real cute. Especially if you're going somewhere like Aldi and you really, or either Trader Joe's, and you don't really need a lot of groceries. You can throw your wallet in here and just put your groceries in here, cross-body it, and you're good. So I just love this. I love. So that's that. I also picked up a mat, like a beach mat for my husband. I think that's in your car, right, Dennis?
No, it's in the shed.
Oh, it's in the shed. I can't even show y'all, but that's nice too. Because whenever we go to the beach, he likes to sit, lay out on the beach and read books and everything like that, and so it's really nice. What material? Is that like a plastic material it's made out of?
No, it's
I don't know.
It's kind of like a bamboo.
Yes, it's a bamboo material, and it's really nice, y'all. Really nice. What else did I get? I think that was it for the beach, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off this computer. I mean camera. I can't even talk. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go upstairs, take my clothes off. Did y'all like my fit? Super duper cute, y'all. And I don't normally wear stuff like this, but I just thought it was so cute. I got so many compliments on this look. Super cute. And I did take my blazer with me because it started raining. Although it is so hot. I mean, like right now, Virginia and here in Richmond, this weather is giving Florida for real, right, Dennis? Yeah, I mean, it's raining. It stops. It rains and it stops and the sun comes out, and then it's even raining with the sun out, y'all. It is so hot.
Yeah.
It is so freaking hot. And normally I don't complain about the heat because I love it, but y'all.
But it's a different kind of hot.
It's a different kind of hot, yes.
It's muggy.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
It's not dry. Muggy as fuck. It's good for the plants though.
Very good for the plants. It feels like Florida. Like I'm not even capping. It feels just like Florida. Don't do.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's giving Florida for real. But I love it. I'm not even complaining at all. And you would think that the rain would cool it down a bit. Nope. Nope, it seems even hotter. Nope. And y'all, today is the 16th. Today is the 16th. My daddy's birthday is tomorrow. My daddy's birthday is tomorrow on the 17th, and then my sister's birthday is on the 19th. That's why we went to brunch to celebrate her birthday. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go up here and just kind of wind down a bit. I am so freaking tired. Let me know what you guys think about my fit. It's super duper cute. I did, of course, Instagram. So y'all, you know, if you follow me on Insta, then you guys saw us out at brunch today. But that is it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here because I don't have anything else to give. I'm just too tired. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down below. And if you don't, then I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye, y'all.
Peace.
Say it again, Ennis.
Peace.